I'll just need to plug in.
So how do they account for changes?
Because we can immediately see in the system.
These events will lead then to interruption.
How can digital solutions be used to increase security?
Improve and digitalize the customer experience.
Develop a mobility service for the target group, commuters.
And now is you get to finally work on those challenges.
So the partners share really their knowledge about the industry, and also the teams asking really good questions. There are certain structures and certain methodologies that we use, and we provide these to the teams. We guide them through those processes.
For us at Accenture, it's important to deliver innovation at scale, and we measure our work by the impact it creates.
But it's Innovate and Meetweek was the
Our idea was to reduce mobility by using the resources that are in your neighborhood and by combining that with your friends and colleagues from work.
I think I can speak for all of us that we didn't really expect to win in the first place.